자, 오늘은 싱가포르에 있는 ITW 웰딩 싱가포르에 왔습니다. 여기가 전시장, 용접기하고 뭐 그다음에 연구실도 있고 히팅, 그다음에 파이어폭스, 스마트 피더, XMT 엔진도 있고. 여기 유럽
얘도 이렇게요.
이거 때문에 저걸 갖고 있는 거.
네. 얘는 우리 없는 거.
이거보다 새로 나온 거.
아니야. 원래 이게 있었는데 내가 홍보를 안 했지. 이거보다 한 단계 낮은.
낮은 거 못생겨가지고 저는 거제도도 안 갔어요.
근데 이게 가격이 있어서 공략.
안에 들어가 보세요.
선물 갔다 왔죠.
입장을 주고.
여기에 테스트. 여기에 새로 나오는 커버. 그 그림에 보는 것보다 좀 사이즈가 크네요. 자, 일단 동작하고 하는 거는 나중에 한번 보고 지금은 살짝 훑어보도록 하겠습니다. 오토 컨티뉴 델타 웰드. 지금 델타 웰드 500 HD 미그 테스트 때문에 왔고요. 이거는 지금 HD 미그 세팅 속도가 590, 일반 미그 속도가 430 그렇게 테스트를 했는데 여기 보시면 그냥 CV 미그는 26초 걸렸고 HD 미그는 24초 걸렸습니다. 길이가 HD 미그가 훨씬 길게 나왔습니다. 그리고 여기 보시면 이제 데이터가 있는데 이렇게 전류값이 똑같이 나오고요. 그렇게 계산했을 때 대략 한 31% 정도가 속도가 빠르게 나오네요.
Right? So I confirm my welding part is good because I need to set my welding parameter. So as you see in this pattern, right? So there are two modes, right? This is teaching mode. So I'll go to auto mode. I will weld and enable it. As you see during welding, right? You can see the amp, the volt is all displayed in this screen. Alright, and the program as well. Alright. Guys, eyes. Welding on. Quiet. Very fast. Very fast. Approach point, done. Okay. Another approach point. Before that, I think I need to mark it. Alright guys, as you see, I have marked 2 points here. So this will be my starting point, this will be my ending point. After that, I will move my plate away. It will still search for the starting point, although the hook is already moved.
Oh, wow.
This is called touch sensing. Alright. Alright. Now we save it. Alright, now let's start. No welding. now the workpiece is good. It will start welding at this point and to this point, which I have marked before. Now the touch sensing, the probe is going to touch a plate, so it will sense the x-axis, y-axis, and the z-axis with reference to the starting point. So now welding is good, the point is good. Right? I do some marking here, as you see there, one line here. There's one line here. So this is a good position with a good jigs and everything is good here. So now, later I will start try to move the plate away. Right? Okay. Guys, I try to move it maybe like, okay? Good enough? Okay, maybe a little bit tilted. Okay, so my welding point, I need to assess with reference to my past procedure that I've done just now, right? I assign it to my past procedure, that's it. Okay, this is a very good feature. Now the workpiece has like moving X to Y at 5 mm. Okay, Z remain the same. So the workpiece is moving. Now right, okay now, we simulate again. No welding, huh? Suppose you will weld here, suppose later you will weld somewhere here. Okay, but our actual welding point is
Ready move.
like 10 mm. Right? Like we're sensing the positions, x-axis and y-axis and all this. So when this touch touching the metal, right, there is some voltage sensing, a small current. So it will sense, you see, exactly same point. It will sense exactly same point, you compensate the offset. With reference to, there's some calculation in controller. So this workpiece, right, when it move away a little bit, the controller will do the job, searching the correct starting point.
Smart.
Yeah, it's smart. Because not all.
I think
It's still hot. Okay. No welding, right? See, you will search for the, you compensate on this, you search for the correct starting point. The other workpiece has a little bit tilted away from the original place. Oh, this point, right? I suppose this point, I need to add another plus sense. So this